Hello friends, in our previous videos we learned how to make an AP series when A and D are given, and conversely when some AP series was there we were asked to find the general term or the first term or the common difference, etc. Let us proceed further with new examples. Example 9. If 18, A, B and -3 are in AP, then find A plus B. So here we are given 4 terms 18, A, B, -3 and all these 4 are in AP. But the value of A and B we have to calculate and then only we will find A plus B. So let us see the solution. Because these terms are in AP, so what we will have? We have the common difference between any two consecutive pair of numbers same, means T2 minus T1 will be same as T3 minus T2, same as T4 minus T3. So we will write as, because 18, A, B, -3 are in AP, therefore A minus 18 equal to -3 minus B, and taking A and B on one side of equation, the numbers on the other side, we get A plus B equal to -3 plus 18, or A plus B is equal to plus 15, the sign of the bigger term. And this is what that was asked in our question. A plus B equal to 15, answer. The logic we used over here to solve this sum was the difference between two consecutive terms of an AP. Hope you understand the question. Please take the screenshot of the page. Also subscribe our channel for more videos. Now let us proceed further. Example 10. For an AP, if A25 minus A20 is equal to 45, then find the value of D. Now we see that the difference between two terms is given 45 and the two terms are 25th term and 20th term. Can you think of the formula that we have to use here? Yes, exactly. It is the general term formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And here in present question the n will be 25 and 20 turn by turn. So let us start the solution. We will write a25 minus a20 equal to 45 as given in the question. Then by the general term formula a25 will be a plus 24d, because we reduce the n by 1 to multiply with d. Similarly, a20 will be written as a plus 19d. Both the terms are written within the brackets and subtraction sign is also there. In the next step, we will open up the brackets, like we have first bracket as a plus 24d. Then for the second bracket, we have minus sign out of the bracket. So we write a as minus a, 19d as minus 19d is equal to 45. Plus a cancels with minus a and we are left with 24d minus 19d equal to 45. Minus gives 5d equal to 45, and from here we have d is equal to 45 upon 5, that is 9. 9 5s are 45. So friends, we are able to find the value of d equal to 9. And friends, if your calculations are good enough, then you can also verify your answer by solving 24d minus 19d should be equal to 45 when we put d as 9. So friends, that is all for today. Hope you understand all the questions very well. Please go through our previous videos for your basic starting of AP series. Do not forget to press the bell button after subscription, because that will give you the notifications of our latest videos. Solve sums from your course book and ask for your queries by writing to us in our comment box. Take care and work hard. Bye bye.